My name is Luis Nunez. I'm the president and co-founder of Trimworld Incorporated, located at 247 West 37th Street, New York City. We are considered the largest embroiderer right now in New York City. We specialize in uniforms, hats, t-shirts, jackets, backpacks, you name it. But we wanted to stretch it. We wanted to be able to service like a one-stop shop. And when it came down to embellishment and just any type of handwork or anything to make a garment look like $1 million, we figured, you know what, we could do that. And I would say 18 years later, we're still doing the same thing. The thing that sets us apart is the fact that we treat all our customers the same, no matter the size. Friendly service, professional. Whether you are the biggest company or the smallest starting up individual that just graduated out of Parsons or FIT, we will treat you the same exact way. Because everyone out there that it's big today started small. Whenever someone comes in through those doors and asks us that they need something the same day or the following day, or we need to work over the weekend or overnight, you can always rely on Trimworld to do your projects on time, the quality be one of the best qualities you're going to find out there. We have people that have been working with us since day one. Some of the best hands I've seen in the industry. We have been very lucky in the personnel that have come to work with us for the last 18, 20 years. The company has evolved. We went from working out of an office no bigger than this to 5,000 square feet at one point. We keep changing. You got to keep changing with times. And we're going to be here. You know, we've been here for the last 18 years and we expect to be here another 18 years, hopefully even more.